To be honest, I'm one of those who got sucked in the Tesla hype and even bought the stock when it hit 800 billion in market cap without truly understanding what that means. Hey, what's up? My name is Rishabh Savant. I'm not a financial advisor, but I like talking about stocks for entertainment purposes. So last year, during the lockdown, I started investing. And at that time, I thought that the market cap on Yahoo Finance meant the size of the business opportunity out there for any given company in any given space, meaning the total addressable market of that particular business. I invested for one whole year with no clue about what market cap actually meant, and I learned an expensive lesson. Market cap simply refers to the number of shares multiplied by the price of each share. It is the amount you'd pay if you were to buy the whole company today. Market cap has got nothing to do with the revenue whatsoever. It's just the value investors place on a company based on revenue, profits, growth, etc. Market cap can often be irrational as it is right now. Many investors overlook this number because through stocks they're just buying a part of a company. Let's put it this way. If I have a business right now and it is generating, let's say, about $10,000 per month, per year it is generating a profit of about $120,000. Imagine I want to sell this company to you because I'm falling ill and I won't be able to run the business effectively. I tell you that I value this business at $1 million. You tell me that it's too expensive and I decrease the price to 900,000. And then I tell you that moving forward, profits are going to increase by tenfolds as there are plans of entering a new market next year, or there are more products in the pipeline waiting to be developed, or the demand for the product is expected to grow exponentially in the coming years, and so on. Would you be willing to pay me 900K to buy my business? What would be the max that you'd be willing to pay for my business that is generating a net income of 120,000 per year today? Ideally, you would not want to pay me more than 120,000, right? Because it makes a net profit of 120K per year. Once you buy my business, you will recover the cost in 1 year and you'd start to profit in the second year. From your perspective, you'd want to pay me 120K or less to buy my business so that you can start profiting as soon as possible after purchasing that business. You should have the same frame of mind while buying stocks. Let's take a look at Tesla and how it compares to its net profit. Tesla has a market cap of 620 billion and its net income last year was 690 million. So you would pay 620 billion today if you were to buy the whole of Tesla. If they continue making the same profits as last year, let's calculate how long it would take you to recover your $620 billion that you are paying today to buy this business. It would take you 899 years to recover your initial investment if you were to buy Tesla today, and if it continues to make the same amount of profits it did in the last 1 year. Applying the same ratio to my business from the previous example, in which the net profit per year was 120K, it would be like asking you to pay me $120 million. Apple has a market cap of $2.4 trillion, and its net income last year was 57 billion. So you would pay $2.4 trillion today if you were to buy the whole of Apple. If they continue making the same profits as last year, take note 2.4 trillion is about 2,400 billion. It would take 43 years for you to recover what you pay for Apple today. In the 44th year, you'd start to make profits. Not too bad, still within the lifespan of a human. Applying the same ratio to my business from the previous example, in which the net profit was 120K, it would be like asking you to pay me $5.3 million. I'm not a financial advisor, so I'm not saying that you shouldn't be investing in Tesla at all. But you should be really cautious about what stock you are buying and view it as if you were buying the whole company. Always ask yourself, would you be willing to pay this amount of money for this whole company today if it was making this amount of profit in the past? Of course, Tesla will grow, so will Apple. In the worst case scenario, these companies would make the same or even less than their historical earnings. In the case of Apple, you are more likely to at least break even within your lifetime. But what about Tesla? Well, to be honest, I'm one of those who got sucked in the Tesla hype and even bought the stock when it hit 800 billion in market cap without truly understanding what that means. I've learned my lesson. I now understand what market cap means. Long term, this company will eventually grow into the current valuations, but not before plunging down and being there for a long time, just like Amazon did back in early 2000s. So that's it. Thanks for watching and have a good day.